cheeks.
Ang
Yung kiss ni Sarah.
Cheeks.
Ito, magpawis kasi naiinit na lang.
Pero yun nga, gaano ka kasaya na for the
Masaya
first time
naman
naging open na si...
Very, very happy. Very, very happy. You know, it's
Yan.
masaya naman. Maraming mga magandang bagay nangyayari ngayon. Especially my relationship, my work, and everything around me. So, positibo lahat.
Nasa yun na ang lahat.
Hindi pa naman. Hindi pa naman.
Ano pa ba kulang?
Ha?
Ano pa ang kulang?
Wala, there's many things ba, diba? Personal life and work. Marami pang mga pagkukulang at things that you have to work at it to make it happen. So, marami mga bagay that we still have to improve on and we still have to work on to achieve our goals. So,
Ang tanong ng bayan, Mateo, paano mo ginawa na... alam mo yun, kasi di ba alam naman natin mahigpit ang parents.
Lumambot na si
Sarah.
Mami Divine sa'yo. Lumambot na.
Paano mo ginawa na mapalambot ang parents kung papayag na maging...
alam niyo, gustong-gusto talaga sagutin niya. Pero huwag muna ngayon. Huwag muna.
Positive naman yung tanong eh, kumbaga.
Naman. One day I'll answer that, but not now, diba? Let's, paano ba sabihin nicely?
Niligawan mo ba ang parents ni Shaina aside from Shaina?
Niligawan ko sino?
Sarah.
I'm sorry, ni Sarah.
Nakakaloka.
Ni Sarah.
Wait, I really want to answer your questions, but I really can't. I really have to respect their side also, and as much as possible, I want to keep it quiet. Diba?
Matt, kamusta na lang yung relationship mo with her parents?
I mean, it's okay. It's okay.
Much better than before?
I really like to answer, but you know, just now. What?
Pero Matt, nakatulong ba yung friendship niyo with Ryan and Juday para maging solid yung relationship ni Sarah?
Ryan and Judai's friendship, hindi naman dahil kay Sarah, it's really because of triathlon, because Ryan trains also, he swims quite good. So, yun. So, konektado lang lahat.
Kasi parang nakikita namin na magkakasama kayo before, tapos parang titiwala si Mami Divine na sumama sa'yo pagkasama si Ryan at
Minsan.
Parang chaperone sila.
parang gano'n.
Next time, sagutin niya. Promise.